Oh, g'day, welcome back. So I have handy here a screwdriver, pair of pliers, and a Ziploc bag. So, the removal of a board from a SuperPET is not that difficult. I'm not going to put the screws into the bag yet. I'll just set them behind. Somebody suggested I get a magnetic screwdriver. Some of them I do have. That do have a little magnetism. But still, sometimes I manage to drop screws. These screws are looking somewhat corroded. Not surprising, because once I get things in a better state here, maybe I'll put this up on its back and you can see the horrible rust on the bottom. So, if I, there's always one screw. It's funny. Don't want to strip the heads. That gets into a whole other mess. Okay, so 4 screws. Now, is it free? It is somewhat. Alright. Alright, I'm going to unplug the keyboard thing. I think. No, that one seems very stuck. Maybe I'll get it from the board end of things. Holy mama. Okay. Did I bend anything? Yeah, maybe. But not much. Okay, so here is the SuperPET board. Now, the cable does have these things that you can pull on, but I don't trust that. I really don't. I should have brought another screwdriver. Anyway, I'm going to wiggle this one off. This is the magic cable that connects everything. And this is power. And there is the board. It is fab number 9000008, artwork number 9000017, revision A. I think this is very much like what Rudy is working with. I will carefully set this in behind here and then ponder. You know, it's a funny thing. Moments ago, I did have another screwdriver. I tucked it away in here. It has seen a lot of life, this screwdriver. But perhaps it is worthy of snicking under here and very gently prying this cable off. Perhaps. I'm doing a little twist and a little twist, and it's off. These pins on here I find to be quite delicate. Quite delicate. So beware. Alright, there's a double sort of power cable here thing. Plugs into 2 places, goes upstairs. It can go there. And now, oh, well, there's this thing. And I just don't think I can get it off. I don't think I have a thing handy. And it feels like it's kind of rubbery. I could probably pry it a little bit. But I just don't. Well, I might need it. No, I'm going to have to see if I can actually get that off, if I'm going to get that off. So here we have the board of the 8032, and it does look complete. But of course, is it working? Well, no. At least with the SuperPET attached, it was not. And I suspect it continues not to work. But just in case, I will take the power cord I will plug it in. I will turn it on. Oh, of course it won't work. There's no 6502 in there. It's on the board. Do I want to take it out and try it? No, not really. I really don't. I really don't. All right. Now, what I might do here, I'm going to pull out the power. And there's the keyboard connected. The whole PET. Like, there's a connector that goes to the monitor, there's a connector that goes to the keyboard, and a connector that comes from the power supply. That's it. And it's the board. Oh, I know what I need. Aha. If I'm going to put this in another machine, I need to see about stealing the legs. The legs are basically screws, or that one's tight. It may not all come out. Oh, I should probably find the right size socket. No, that one's not coming. That's not coming out. All right, let's let this go back a bit. See if I can get any of the others. Okay, that one's coming. It was probably best with like a nut driver or a socket wrench. It probably is. It's funny, this was the PET that was in the garage, that I knew was in the garage. And I said, oh yeah, I just got one more in the garage. That's it, just one more. But it led to me finding the other ones. Oh, that's coming now. Okay. Oh, it moved. But it's still not coming. Oh, yeah. Come on, you. Okay. Oh, I've seen it move twice. 3 times. All right, you would think. Now I see a lot of residue down there, so maybe there's nothing. There's micro corrosion, and then there's oh, that's turning funny. That's turning funny. I wonder if it's actually trying to break. I don't know. That is beastly. It is coming, but I suspect that this thing underneath here, oh man, is very rusty. I would like to get it out. All right, I'm on track. But yeah, a socket wrench would be better. Anything? Oh. Well, this is when you have to bring your patience. Okay, I'm turning it with my finger, and it came out. Oh, it's a much shorter one. Okay, now there's just one more back here by the power supply. Okay. And it does not want to come at all. Oh well. The other thing they can do is just put cardboard or something over something. Alright. Now, as promised, I'm going to close this up. I will show you the horrendousness of what is underneath here. Oh. Obviously, there was some. Look at this. Look at this. And this. And this. Definitely, this was probably sitting on the floor. And see, this leg, this rubber thing, it's gone. Oh, this one too. Rusted right off. It did. All right. Well, I don't want to cover up the chair that Andrew sits in out here. So I'll move some towels. And I'll tip this down and shift it over to another chair. Oh yeah. And now over here we have, oh, there's an ant. A SuperPET upper board. SuperPET combo. PD assembly 90007. Okay. So it looks like it's all here. It does. Holding it up. It's neat to see the traces on the one side and the other. It is. So I think what I'm going to do now, put that down. I'll leave the ant. Go away, ant. And I'm going to go find a PET, an 80 column PET that I think is working. And then we'll put this in and we'll see what we see. What do I need to find? I guess I can get the chip out with the screwdriver. I guess it's pretty thin. Is there anything else that I would need? Well, I gotta be careful with this thing. Let me just check all the pins. They do seem to be okay. All right, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. Stay tuned for the next episode. And I'm sorry. I'm hoping to have an 8032 to try this out in. But I will, oh, I know what I'll have to do. I'll have to steal a switch off the one that's in a bag waiting for Rudy. I will. The one to switch between the different modes. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.